Welcome back, everybody. Happy 2020, Happy New Year. Excited to have you all back with me again for another year as we work our way toward Halloween. But as I like to do at the beginning of every month, even though I'm a little bit late, like 3 weeks late, I did want to give a shout out to my patrons and then announce our giveaway of the month. But again, I know it's a little late in the month. I had a hectic work schedule this month, and it's going to be very hectic for the next couple months. So I'm going to try and squeeze in as many of these videos as I can, but if I don't get a lot out timely, you have to forgive me because it's going to be a crazy couple months. But anyway, enough about my work. Nobody wants to hear about that. We do want to hear about the giveaway, but first, I did want to thank my wonderful patrons out there for supporting the channel, helping contribute to these giveaways. So let's dive right in and give those wonderful people a shout out. Those patrons include Craig Thomas, Carla Perea, Rose Latham, Allison Waldron, Gareth Frewer, Shannon Fredrickson, Prince Alarming 85, Annie Jones, Stephen Miles, Teara, Spooky Bev, Sharon Thomas, and Stephanie Schrutek. Thank you all again for supporting the channel, and thank everyone else out there. Again, you can help support the channel by liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing the videos, and so forth. But if you did want to join my Patreon team, you can certainly do so. There's links in the description below, but enough about that. Before we move on to the giveaway, though, I do like to check in with my patrons who have YouTube channels to see what they're up to. So let's do that. All right, so first up, we have Indiana Jones, and Indiana Jones describes herself on her page as a run-of-the-mill wacky mom type who works full-time and loves to craft and cosplay. And if you look at her videos, she does do lots of fun crafting videos, Christmas, all seasons, but she likes to dress up as fun characters. It is very entertaining. And let's see, since our last check-in, which was around Christmas time, looks like we've got some more Christmas videos out in the last couple weeks. A haul video, New Year's resolutions, another look at the Deering estate, some other crafty, putting some sparkles on something, making a halo, and a Goodwill deal video, which I believe she did live just a bit ago. So she likes to do live videos too, which I try and catch every time I can. But we also have Create at Home with G, and as well as Create at Home with Elf. And he describes himself as a crafter, special needs support teacher, .com store owner with 2 YouTube channels, which I guess he has actually combined. But he is also a wonderful crafter. As you can see, he's got so many videos about crafting, decorating, making cards. Lots of fun stuff, so make sure you check out his channel as well. And since our last check-in with him around about a month ago, he's put out, again, some more Christmas stuff, cards that he makes, seasonal decorating videos, and again, more cards. And then next up, we have Spooky Bev, who says, if you like dark humor, Halloween, and spooky things, we can be friends. Now, the last time we checked in, Spooky Bev hadn't uploaded anything in a while, but it looks like she has this time. A Halloween cruise video. I'm so jealous. I love cruising. It's my favorite way to vacation. And I've never done a Halloween cruise, but I certainly want to someday. So check out Spooky Bev's video if, like me, you want to live vicariously through her. All right, well, with that out of the way, it is time again for another giveaway. So I've been doing a little bit of spring cleaning. It feels like spring here in Georgia. I know some of you guys are experiencing some extreme cold right about now, but it's practically shorts weather here. So rather than be outside enjoying the nice weather, I am inside trying to, clean up a little bit of my Halloween stuff. I finally got my Christmas decorations put away about a week ago. I'm still working on my Halloween, but I do want to kind of clear out some of my old stuff, clean up my storage room, make room for all the new things I'm going to buy this year, which, you know me, I like to do my thrift store haul videos, and that thrift store haul stuff's got to go somewhere. So I made myself a little box for you guys of some stuff. Now, again, a lot of this stuff is stuff I found on the thrift store haul videos, so if you're not afraid of a little bit of thrift store merchandise, you'll definitely want to enter this. this video. So let's go ahead and see what we've got in our box this month. I did put in several packages of this spider webbing. I bought a lot of this this year because I did a spider room and my intention was to put a lot of spider webbing all around the whole room. I just never got to it. So this is stuff I found in my storage room probably from years ago. I have way more of this stuff. It's going to make good packing material though. So next up, I've got a couple of these. These are like little ground breaker things I bought way back when. Honestly, I never got the hang of making it look like it was, you know, hands coming out of the ground. They're just like attached. You can pull them apart. But I was afraid they would just blow away and I'd never see them again. But maybe you can find a better use for them than I did. They're kind of cool. Here we've got a little bag with a little drawstring, so you can carry around your trick-or-treating treats, I guess. I had actually had these things stuffed in here for the longest time, and we just had it sitting out like a little pumpkin, but we haven't put him out in years and years, so I think it's time to finally say goodbye to Mr. Pumpkin. But anyway, throw him over here. We've got I don't know what this guy is, but look at his fun eyes. It's kind of hard to see that in the video. But he has little eyes that pop out on these little springs. Maybe they're supposed to be pushed in a little bit. I bet they got pulled out too much. They're probably supposed to be a little closer in. But anyway, got a little boo pumpkin. Picked up on a thrift store haul. I think it's time to let him go. Got one of these little Dollar Tree boo signs. I love these things. You can cut them apart, you can make them into crafts, or you can just hang it and have a nice little boo. All right, from the Gothic jewelry collection, they sent me some things, and I'm just going to start giving them away. So this is a cool little ring. I can't remember exactly what this is, but you can check out my Gothic jewelry review to find out the specifics or check out their website. I think I still have a discount link. I'm not sure, but if you're interested in Gothic jewelry, I'll put the link for them down below too. But this is a size 10 ring, so I think it's a little small for my giant sausage fingers, but hopefully someone out there will find a good use for it. Or, you know, you can put it on some of your Halloween props just as a little bit of added fun jewelry. Next up, we have the wall and door web plaque. I got this recently, did a review on it. It might have been on my last haul, I'm not really sure. I can't remember. I think the lights, or the eyes light up and it has kind of a little laugh to it. But he makes a good little presence. Very creepy. All right, throw in a Luminaria Kit. Now again, this was another Goodwill haul from many months ago. I love buying this Luminary stuff because I think someday I'll use it, but I know I never will. So it looks like, I'm not sure if it was ever used. I can't remember. Check out my video if you want to see it unboxed, but you know, it comes with the nice paper lanterns, or no, the paper bags, and then I think it's got the little pieces that you open up, and either, I guess you put this on the outside. So this goes on the inside, and then it comes with little weights too that you can fill with water. So this was a nice quality kit. I think it looks like it came from Target and it retailed for like $10 or so originally. I think they did use it. There was a little candle inside. I'll even throw that in for you. There you go. It looks like there's got a little life left in it. Go ahead and put this back in. And a couple of little decorative plates for you. A little pumpkin man, a little cat. And then lastly, I love this guy. This little skeleton man. He has a battery compartment. I think we tested him. I don't think he actually works because I think he was supposed to rock or something. So my plan, because he has this nice string, was just to put him out as like a little wind chime. But again, I never got around to doing it, and he's kind of awesome. He's got good presence, so I think somebody else might make a better parent for our baby skeleton man. But that'll do it, I think. So, let me put this box down. Not a bad haul, and this can be yours if you win this month's giveaway, which we are going to do in a week. So we'll just call it next Sunday. I don't know what that date is, but I'll put it in the description. We're going to do it probably around 1 p.m. Eastern. And to enter, all you need to do is make sure you're subscribed. Be sure to like this video and leave me a comment below. You know, it is the new year, so tell me, did you make any New Year's resolutions? And if so, have you kept to them? I'm interested to see what all of you guys are up to this year. So that'll do it, I guess, until next week. So hopefully I'll see you around for the giveaway. If you want to join me live for the giveaway at 1 p.m., you don't have to. You don't have to be present to win, but we will do a live elimination. It's very fun. If you haven't seen one of these giveaways before, we just take a clue board. I assign everybody a character, distribute you around the board, and live in the chat room, we will eliminate the rooms one at a time until we have a winner left standing who will win all of this fabulous loot. Well, the stuff I pulled out of my box. You're not getting my candelabra. You know I love those things. But anyway, so that's what we're going to do. That's the plan. Hopefully I'll see you there, and hopefully I'll see you for several more videos coming up in the next couple of months, but definitely more as we get toward Halloween. So stick around, and just as an added bonus, all of my patrons, of course, get automatically entered into the drawings and are given a bonus entry. So if you want that little extra chance to win, make sure you check out my Patreon page for further details. But that will do it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Happy haunting.